demonstration of the captcha SDK, or we call the Android Device Risk Check SDK on the Android app, right? So over here, I have an app that is to simulate the message sending to the servers, right? However, this application is already integrated with our Android Device Risk Check SDK. So once I launch the app, so what I'm going to do is going to restart it. And I click agree to the terms and conditions. So over here, the captcha will be popping up. Click, I'm a human. So basically over here on the back end is going to run through all those like device level security scanning based on your behavior, based on the device environmental parameters. And over here that you see that the submit button is no longer grayed out. And once the capture is done or the device level security check is done, you're going to receive a unique ticket as well as a random strings over here basically to uniquely identify this device. And this ticket for the device security check will valid for 10 minutes. So over here, that you can use this ticket and random string receive alongside the message that you want to send to the server, and you can simulate. For example, I want to send text 123 123, and then I'm going to hit the submit button. From the server over here, that you see actually is receiving the user input 123 123 alongside with the ticket as well as the random string. So from a network operator's perspective, or from this like message sending operator or app owner's perspective, I want to make sure that whoever using my app is actually using in a secure device or a low risk device. So over here, with the information that I've received from the server, that I'm able to query whether this device is secure or not. So over here, we're gonna quickly copy and pasting. And also the user IP. So what I'm gonna do now is going to submit this device level integration or identifier. I'm going to submit and going to check whether the device is considered low risk or high risk. So you see that the return values with 301 and 501. Over here, the reference that we see that over here, the 301 is emulator risk. Yes, I'm actually using the emulator, and the 501, and the blacklist device risks, right? Because it's a commonly used one. So I mean, it's likely being identified as a suspicious blacklist or black market device. So with that, if I'm operating this function on, for example, the edge protection server like Edge One or on my own app server, what I can do is with the information collected, I can either block the message with a ticket or I just straight away block the user IPs over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate the block action on the Edge server. And since the message is sent on the port 80, so going to block the IP on port 80. So you see that it's already blocked, and I'm going to try to send again. Click submit, submit, submit. You receive nothing, right? Because it's already being blocked. So basically that is simulating that the protection can be done on the edge server or edge protection server. So what I'm going to do now is going to unblock the IP. Okay, unblock IP on port 80. And then I'm going to submit again. For example, over here, I'm going to send another string of the text, and we're going to hit the submit button again. You see that actually it's receiving the message again after being unblocked. Oh, so basically this is a just quick demonstration showing you that how we can collaborate the device level security check and make actions accordingly on your server or on the edge protection server like Edge 1, Edge function.